Hello everyone, here I will present our project entitled Transition Keeper. Firstly, I will introduce you our project manager, namely Mr. Hamdani Arif SPD MSJ, and then I will introduce the name of my group. The first is Vincent Cosly, that me. The second is Alfian Riano. The third is Diki Putra. The fourth is Lutfi, and the fifth is Maharani Azra. Here are several topics that we will discuss. First, project definition, project output that will be produced, product achievement, and finally, there is a history of project implementation. And then I will hand it over to my partner Lutfi.
CoverScript project. This project aims to implement inscription and description methods using transposition zipper techniques. Transposition zipper is an inscription method that changes the sequence of characters in a message without changing the characters themselves. This project will focus on development of zipper transposition algorithms and related security analysis. Next, project output that will be produced. Transposition zipper is one type of inscription technique used where the letters in the text are changed or random according to certain rules. The output or result of the transposition zipper depend on the transposition rules used. Some common types of transposition zipper involve the reordering of letters in a block of the text, while others involve the reordering of the bits in a binary representation of the text.
So next is the project achievements. Hello, my name is Maharani Azra, and I will explaining about our program code, especially for GUI. First of all, we must import the library or module like tkinter, custom tkinter, PIL, etc. And next, for GUI, there is a variable name window. This is for the application window, and the window is titled with transposition zipper, and this is for the size of the window, and this is the background image code, and background image will be resized to customize the window size. And this is the variable name label, and this variable is for showing the image background for the window. Next, we make a frame using the custom tkinter, and there is a two frame for the input and the output, and there is has the same configuration like the background color, width, height, and coordinate. And there is a label to fill up with the text, and the first is in the input, the second for the output, and the third in the input too. In the first, there is a text says input, and this is a format for the font, and background color, font color, and coordinate. And also for the output, there's a text says output, and also font format, background color, and font color, and coordinate. And also for the key label, there is a text says key, font format, background color, font color, and label coordinate. Next, we make a CKT box in the frame. There's a two CK text box at the input and at the output. There has some configurations. There's a width, height, font format, corner radius, and coordinate. And this is for make a CK entry at the frame, especially at the front input. There is a width plus horizontal text says insert and coordinate. And this is for browse button. Browse button put in the frame input, and there is a text says browse, and this is for font format, width, background color, font color, corner radius, and comment says open file, and this is the coordinate. Also, we have others button, and next is the encrypt button. Encrypt button put in the frame input, and there is a text says encrypt and font format, width, background color, font color, corner radius, and comment says encrypt message and coordinate. Same like encrypt button, the encrypt button has the same configuration, but the difference is in the decrypt button, there is a text says decrypt, and there is comment says decrypt message. Also, in the save button, the difference is save button put in the frame output, not in the frame input, and there's a text says save and comment says save file. And last but not least, there's a window main loop. This is for the run or looping the code for UI.
Hello, my name is Kavi Adriano. This is code implement a cryptography technique, the columnar transposition zipper. For the encryption, first take the message and a key, filter the key to remove duplicate letter, organize the message into a matrix based on the key length, padding with X for any remaining characters, process each column of the matrix according to the alphabetical order of the key, collect character from the matrix row-wise using the alphabetical order of the key to from the encrypt message. And for the description, after the decryption, text the encrypt message and the same key, filter the key to remove duplicate letter, reconstruct the encrypt message into a matrix based on the key length, reorganize the matrix based on the alphabetical order of the key, retrieve the character from the matrix to reconstruct the original message. Additionally, there's an open file function to open a text file and a save file function to save encrypt or decrypt message to a file. This is a brief explanation of how the code perform encryption and decryption of a message using the transposition technique on a matrix, using a key to change the sequence of character in the message. This is the code for creating a database. The database we create is used to store the result of encryption and decryption. The result of encryption and decryption that has been performed will be stored in the history database.
Implementation history, stack ID, work details, output. Number 1, title creation, looking for a title that matches the requested material and arranging the work stages for a PBL. Number 2, making presentation for submission of PBL titles. Zoom with the group to make a presentation on the proposed PBL title and present the requested material. Gain understanding in studying cryptography in preparation for PBL. Next, obstacles in completing the project. Look for references for the encryption and description process. Problematic module installation. Conduct group discussion synchronously. Division of work by group members. Number 1, Vincent Nicholas Lee. Conduct application testing, create and arrange broadcast or presentation materials, editing presentation videos and demo video. Number 2, Kelvin Andriano, create application program code, make a video, help create and organize broadcast or presentation materials. Number 3, Diki Putra Sepatiratu, look for source of information regarding transposition cipher material. Number 4, Lutfi Rianta, designing the application background, look for source of information regarding transposition cipher.
Thank you for listening to our presentation. If there be any error in the presentation, please forgive us.